Hello. Thanks for calling First Specific Trust. This is Sarah. How can I help you today?
Sarah, this is Daniel Cho, VP of Finance at Atlas Logistics. I need to push through an urgent wire this morning before markets close.
I can help with that, Mr. Cho. I'll need to verify your identity and the account first. Can you confirm the business account number?
Yes, it's 458-7744.
Thank you, Mr. Cho. Could you confirm your authorization code as well?
Look, I'm the VP. I authorize these all the time. It's under Atlas Logistics. You can see it. Let's just get it out. 250,000 has to be paid to the vendor today.
I understand, but I cannot complete a transfer without your authorization code, Mr. Cho.
I don't have the pin in front of me. I'm between meetings. Just initiate it. I'll confirm by email after. The vendor's threatening to cancel the contract.
I'm not able to initiate a wire without verification and authorization. Let me bring in my supervisor.
No need to escalate this, Sarah. I don't have time for that. Just send it. I take full responsibility.
I have to follow the verification process. I'll have a supervisor call the number on file.